Hey there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here with BMW filming the 2025 X3. This is the non-M Sport version. There's a side shot there. It's got a new lower front end for 25, and there used to be a where you can get adaptive cruise down there, but it's up higher now, so there's just one mount for this, and it's in the lower center there, so you don't have to mount it off to the side to miss the eyeball or the sensor there. So we'll go ahead and get started with the fitment. This will be a no drill, so there are factory fasteners, and I'll go ahead and turn it over to Mike.
Alright, thanks Steve. Alright, like Steve said, this is going to be a no drill. We're going to be using factory locations. However, we will be replacing these. These are two 10mm headed, I think they're like a 4.8 by 20. We're going to be taking those out. And again, we will not be reusing them. And these are the two center screws, left and right. The center. Alright, so we got these two out. Now we're going to take our base plate. We're going to be taking a 4.8 by 25 3/16 spacer. And starting that one, and the other 3/16 spacer, and starting that one. And it's real important, I kind of skipped over it, but when you're starting this, finger tight, start one side and then start the other side, and then start tightening them up. It's real important, because if you tighten up one side and then try to start the other side, it could just give you trouble trying to get everything to line up. Going into a metal J-clip, so you'll be able to tighten them up just fine. You can see they snug up just fine with a good turn on them, and like I said, metal J-clips, so they're not going to strip out. So there you go. Once those are in, you can take your front plate, start it in, get it past the pull pin, push it until you hear it click into place, and you're all done.
Yep. And then make sure for maintenance that you lubricate your pull pin with some WD-40 or some type of lubricant, just to keep it working properly. And if you go through a car wash, make sure that you remove your front plate with your license on there, because that will get damaged. And here's what it looks like from the front. And again, this is for the X3 non-M Sport. And your license plate goes in the front, and you're done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring, and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.